ba? Dito, hindi ba?
Oh, wait. I think I hear some vibrations. I should find it. I think it's here. I hear some vibrations in the purifier. It must be the problem. I think it's your watch already. I just need to inform you about the purifier. I have the vibrations. Sir, I already made the manual discharge of the sludge, but it reduced the vibration, but it doesn't gone. It's not gone.
Vibration, so that doesn't sound good. So what do you think?
I think some in the bearing, sir. Sir, I'll just leave you the watch in this purifier. If the vibration persists, just do a overhaul, sir.
Okay, so I fix it and do it.
Yes, sir. Have a good watch.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. We have a problem of a purifier. Need to replace it. So the problem, sir, is a vibration. So I will check the purifier, and the problem is a bearing. So I will see the stock room, but no stock. So you need to come here, sir, and check the purifier system.
From 00 to
okay, sir. I'll go there.
To start with the switch over now.
Sige pa.
So, good afternoon, sir. I check the purifier, sir, but as soon as possible, need to replace the bearing because of the vibration, sir. So, need to order of the parts because I see the stock room, we don't have parts of the purifying system.
So the problem is the bearing. So we need to order.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just go to the office and we will order the parts of the purifier. Okay, sir. here's the bearing for the purifier. And just flex it.
Okay, sir. I fix it, sir. Replace the bearing, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.